to quickly show you what to do if your alarm is going off in the middle of the night, beeping and saying low battery, and you actually don't have any battery to replace. So this is where the batteries are located. I tried to remove the batteries, but the alarm kept like beeping and saying low battery, so I had to untwist it. You untwist it from the wall, and you will have to disconnect it from the wire in the back. That's what I'm showing you. So this is how the wiring is going to look like. You are going to press both sides and pull it from the alarm. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.